is the National Weather Service in Blacksburg, Virginia. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA automatically deactivated by these signals to warn tests of the signals in the receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service around noon. The receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service around noon each Wednesday, except for the first Wednesday of Weather that was conducted. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarms, will given location. This variability will be more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter and occur even to provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in the Blacksburg County warning area. In Virginia, Allegheny, Bedford, Bland, Todd, Carroll, Craig, Floyd. Pennsylvania. In these counties is the independent city of Covington. Following counties are included. We now return to normal program as well. This has been a test of the NOAA weather radio warning device. We now return to normal programming.